Welcome to Monday. I want to show you a kind of specific technique today. First of all, I'm going to use my sketching set. I will show you how to mix pen, water and watercolor together again to make a fast sketch in a few different steps, not like we did before. So that will be something a little bit different. Let's go. So this is my set. We need a palette. This is my favorite sketchbook, Saunders Waterford 100% cotton paper. I just like it. And I want to show you one trick which helped me to create the nice silhouette of the shape. We not create a perfect rectangle frame. We create something nice. Okay, we're gonna make it in a few steps. Step number one, just a simple sketch by pencil. For the first step, that's enough. Second step, we're starting to use watercolor. I have to leave it to dry, like that, maybe 5 minutes. So we can walk around and we're back to this and continue to paint. So my paper almost dry, and we're going to put the second step. And second layer will be with the pen. This pen mixing with the water, like you know. And I just put the graphic design on top of that. Idea of this, we just separate our job, divide it to the few steps. Before we care about how to put the nice colors and make the nice gradients, for now we care about how to put the right shapes and make the design on top of that. And this time we don't have to be fast, so we can do it slowly and enjoy the process. No rush. And we're back to this again and put another one layer of the city noise. Don't sketch the subject, make the noise of the subject. Step number 3. we take any sharp pointy brush. I'm gonna use my travel brush. This is the Solovyev. It's a pointy sharp, it's a synthetic hair, and it's just great for this job. So what we're gonna do, we mix our ink with the water. Idea is I'm just observe my sketch and trying to understand which part not look nice, or I miss something important, or it's not look like really understandable. And that part I'm gonna fix, but we don't have to touch all the sketch. Plus, for now I'm back to the watercolor to add the bright yellow and dark brown leaves here on the first plan. That's the gorgeous view. Okay, we're done. It's a fast sketch, I can say it's finished. And now I will show you why we create this very strange shape by tape around my sketch. For my feeling, that frame, that kind of frame around your sketch, much better compared to the just regular rectangle, because we already have a frame. This perfect shape of the sketchbook is already done, so that's inside like this way look much better. And finally, I want to show you the last trick how to make the frame looks better. You know, that's a very simple solution, but now your frame, it's not just a frame, it's part of your design and part of your sketch. So for my feeling, sometimes that solution make your sketch look much better. So tell me what we miss here. That's right. This. Well, it's done. And I hope that very simple tips help you to create spontaneous and nice sketches using that tricks. Thank you very much for your time and see you next Monday. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.